Okay, hi guys, I'm Davorin Setner from Croatia. I'm president of Croatian Business Angels Network, CRANE, which is the strongest organization in Croatia. I came here to help young entrepreneurs and startups to prepare themselves for the big scene. In the startup world, mentoring is the most important things. It's because now it's some kind of hype. Everybody's chasing money on conferences, on contests, and I think it's wrong. Startups need to work themselves and proved investors that they are worth of investing in them. So my advice is, I came here like a serial entrepreneur, as a startup by myself, also in some areas, and I have pretty big experience in working on real works. So my job here and my task here is advices and to listen to those presentations and to give my opinion about the realization of those projects. I have pretty big experience in collecting money in tough conditions. I started my first company when I was 20. It was in 2002, and I think my work started then. So I have pretty interesting life and business way. So one of the things is I acquired Formula 1 media rights for Croatia in 2011, when that was a project which costed 3 million euros. So but I had only less than 10,000 euros in my pocket, and then I experienced real life. Most of people tells me that I'm crazy, and my description is crazy guy which is going through his head with his head through the walls, and I can agree partly with that. So in 2011 I acquired the media rights of Formula 1, broadcast of Formula 1, and then I had 30 days to pay to Bernie Ecclestone and to Formula 1 management, and then I had difficult situation because my partner, I realized that my partner is a liar. He didn't bring any euro, and I had to pay 500,000 euros in 30 days, and then I was in trouble. But I believed, I have believed in myself, and I have lots of partners, business partners, and the companies which I was working with, and everything turned well, and I managed to pay those amount, and that was a really tough period. So my experience is from that kind of positions and situations. So you must pass through the very different and difficult phases, so you can be experienced. Yeah, that was a three-year period, and of course, in last year we have problems with our broadcast partner, because in the third year we changed the partner from local televisions to one national SPTV sports channel. Which then failed to pay 200,000 euros, and whole project stopped. And just imagine I have lots of partners like Lukoil, Valvoline, Pirelli, Yokohama, those huge companies which paid in front for whole year of advertising, and then after half of year stop of the project. So that was terrible, and I had one and a half year of just restructuring everything, rebuilding everything, but with personal talks with each and every of those sponsors, I've managed to cross that situation without any losses, because all of them said No, you're okay. We are working with you lots of years, and we have faith in you. So I passed that without any returns of money. And can you imagine how big confidence in me is that from those companies? And we're working still with those companies on other fields. So you're building your name. And with those situations, you collect pretty big experience. You must be partly crazy for that. Partly. I can agree partly. Collecting difference between collection of millions and hundreds and thousands is similar, but maybe it's harder to earn 100 euro than million of euro. Because you are building your way, and with 100 euro you are on the way to million. And I can tell you from my own experience that for me, yeah, after that Formula 1 project, in which terms are in millions, it was hard to scale down to thousands and tens of thousands. Yeah, it was pretty hard, and in that moment, when I look back, I sometimes I ask myself, how did I did that? How I managed to do that? To collect such sums on such levels, but it was manageable. But yeah, but my advice to startups: don't run for the money. Don't look only for the money. Look for yourself, your product. And the first step in earning money is question how to earn first 100 euros. That's the important question.